Hi there. Today I am going to show you the user defined variable creation for Facebook pixel. Okay, these all are the user defined variable. Actually, this is 27 variables here. If I create with the tag, it's going to the long video. That's why I made it the separate video for your better understanding. Okay, so okay. This is my tag manager, this is my demo tag manager, and we have created one video for Facebook pixel base tag. Now just we'll create the variables. Okay, almost we have maybe 27 variables. Okay, first of all, create new, just user defined variable, and uh, select the data layer variable. Okay, first of all, affiliation, and name the variable dlv affiliation. Okay, save. Next, dlv ct, data layer variables, dlv ct, save. And next, yeah, next, custom javascript, yeah, custom javascript, yeah, cjs item price. Okay, next, another one, custom javascript, cjs content id, yeah, save. Next, data layer variable, dlv country, save. Next, another one, dlv coupon, new, DLV e-commerce. DLV e-commerce. Next, DLV email. Emails. Next, another one. Okay. Next, custom JavaScript. It's not DLV actually. Okay. Custom JavaScript. Event time. This event time. Okay. Okay. Next. Yeah, it's first party. Okay, FBC. First party cookie underscore ABC. Next again, first party cookie ABP underscore ABP. Save. Next, data layer variable DLV first name. Next, sorry, wrong click. DLV the last name. DLV last name. Save. Next, DLV event, sorry, item name. DLV name. Next, DLV item ID. Control A. DLV item ID. Next, e-commerce.items. DLV data layer variable DLV items. Next, number of items. Okay, this is the custom JavaScript. Save. Next, data layer variable, dlv phone number. Next, dlv billing state, state. Next, dlv search query, dlv search query. Save. Okay, next, shipping, layer variable, control v, shipping. Sorry, spelling mistake. Shipping. Save. Next, street address. Okay, data layer variable, dlv street address. Save. Next, tax, data layer variable, tax, dlv tax. Next, transaction id, data layer variable, dlv transaction id. Save. E-commerce dot value. Next, data layer variable, e-commerce dot value, dlv value. Save. And last one, zip code. C new data layer variable, and dlv zip code. Okay, that's all the user defined variable that's actually need for the Facebook pixel tracking. Okay, next we will show the tag creation, and we will add all the essential variables with the tags. Okay, this was the base tag we have created before, and yeah, that's all for today. We will show the next video how to create a Facebook pixel tag. Thank you so much.